the Blindfold Slime Challenge. So let's get to it. We are going to be wearing the blindfolds for the whole video until the very end and we see our slime result. And no peeking, Dima.
And no cheating.
And don't cheat, you cheat, so we got a pinky promise. Pinky promise. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, it begins.
Okay.
Okay, so guys, we have the surprise on the table and we're gonna get to it. So we're blindfolded and we cannot see anything, so let's get to it. Ready? Rock, paper, scissors. Ready?
Rock.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I did paper.
I did rock.
And you can't cheat, okay? You guys have to see. Okay, so where is it? Oh, okay. Oh, I think I know what this is. Okay, I'm gonna go with this one. I guess I'm gonna dump it in. Okay, so it feels like liquid. Maybe it's slime. I mean, I think it's glue. Maybe it's white glue.
My turn, right?
Yeah, go.
Okay. So this is my bowl, I think, yeah.
Oh! Hopefully our slime turns out very good.
What is? I think I know what it is. Let's pour it in. I think it.
Oh, I think it's slime.
It's glue.
Glue. I keep saying it's slime. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and choose mine. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm gonna guess what this is. I think this is green glue, and it's not. And yeah, it's just green glue. Right, Dima?
I don't know. I really don't know. I can't even see it. Okay, ready?
Yep, go ahead, just go. I'm gonna put my green glue in with my
I think I know what this is. Food coloring. Oh, wait.
Okay, let's do rock, paper, scissors. Ready?
No peeking.
You know peeking. You can't peek, Dima. Ready?
Rock.
Paper, scissors, shoot. Rock.
I did rock too.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I did scissors.
Scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. What did you do?
Paper.
I did rock.
Yeah!
Okay.
So, let's see. I think it's shaving cream.
I'm gonna go ahead and choose mine. Okay. Oh, what is this? I think this is glue. Maybe it's white glue. Uh-oh. Okay, got my glue in. Rock, paper, scissors, Dima?
Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. What did you do?
Rock.
I did rock. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Scissors.
Scissors.
Okay, I think mine is looking very fabulous because Dima's cheating.
I'm going with this one.
Dima, are you peeking?
No, I
No.
think this is glue again.
I think you're right. Okay, rock, paper, scissors, ready?
Yep.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock.
Scissors.
Yes. Okay, I'm gonna go with this one. Come, listen to it. Ready? Hear that? I think this is, what do you call it? Dima?
I think it's
Feel it. It's like the sparkle flakes.
flakes,
Yeah. Jinx. Okay, where's mine?
I don't like flakes.
I like flakes, they're pretty. These are pink flakes.
Okay, I'm gonna go. I think this is food coloring again.
What color?
I don't know.
I know, a guess.
I think it's.
I think you have red.
I think I have blue.
You have red, 100%.
Okay.
Okay, I think mine so far has beads, flakes, white glue, and red glue.
I think mine, in my slime, it has red food coloring.
I thought you said blue.
Oh yeah, blue food coloring, because you got the red stuck in my head. And then I think I got shaving cream, and glue, white glue, and blue glue.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock.
Scissors.
Yes.
No, you always start with rock. I'm kidding.
Ooh, I think there's only 2 things on the table left. This and this. Okay. I'm gonna choose this one.
Okay, I'll
Okay.
choose this
I
one.
know it's glue. I know it's
No,
glue.
it's food coloring again. I got 3 food colorings. How do you open?
Uh-oh. I think I added glue on the table. Oh, no.
Oh, there we go.
Okay.
Okay. I didn't hear anything drop in my bowl.
Okay.
How about to take the blindfold off?
Okay, let's get ready. Ready?
3,
3, 2, 1. Whoa! Look at my glue. I did it on the table. Oh, okay.
Oh, and my food coloring! Oh, my food coloring was green.
But that's so strange. We only added these and this color turns up. Guys, do you know what happened? Comment down below. I think
If you saw it. Wow.
I think it was maybe Mommy probably did it. Or Sally.
Or
Daddy.
Daddy pranks us a lot, so maybe
Yeah, but
he
Sally pranks us a lot too.
did. Yeah. And Mommy.
Okay, let's just keep mixing in hopes that this,
It will
will work. Oh. It smells like what do you call it? Soap.
Mine smells good. It doesn't smell like soap. It smells better than soap.
Ah. Okay. Ooh, look at this bubble. My slime didn't turn out that bad. It's pretty good.
Look at
It's
my
actually
bubble.
really, really thick. So like you can't poke holes in it. Okay, let's switch one more time. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one. Oh, I think these are beads. Okay. Woo! Ah!
I'm gonna go.
Okay, go ahead. Oops, I spilled some on the ground. Why is your arm in front of me?
What is this?
Okay, ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. What you do?
Rock.
I did paper. I got you. Okay.
This is my bowl, and this is my hand.
I don't hear anything in this. Wait, this one's empty. Oh, I think I used this one already. Okay, wait. Let me get a new one. Oh, I got this one. I think it's shaving cream.
Okay, I'm gonna go.
Yep.
Oh, I think this is like a cup. I'm gonna add it in. Oh, wait, I just want to feel it.
Okay.
I have no idea what this is.
Okay, you good?
Yep,
Ready? Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. What you do?
rock.
I did rock. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Rock.
I did paper.
No, you.
What did you think I did? Okay, guys.
Bye,
guys. We
guys.
hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a big
Thumbs up, thumbs up.
subscribe and hit that notification bell. And guys, don't forget to comment down below how did our slime turn out this way and what was in it. Because I know for a fact that I used this one, this, and this, and some flakes and other ingredients, but not that orangey, peachy color. Comment down below who did it too.
Bye.